Well, if you are a noob, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter. Youware lets you work. It doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care if you know programming or anything. You just have to have the idea. So just transform your ideas into projects. You describe your projects here and you let the AI model build for you. So you have all these models that you can choose from, but these models are not the magic. The magic is inside of Youware that lay a perfect plan to integrate everything and design for you. Well, let's talk about the different features that you'll get with Youware. First is a natural language prompt to code. You simply describe your ideas in plain English and the AI automatically generates the design, code and deployment. So instead of coding everything manually, you just explain the app what you want to build. Next is the U-base, which is literally the built-in backend. It handles things like data storage, user authentication, media files, and even API keys. So you don't need to set up a separate database or backend device, which is really cool. The next is the co-view feature. So this allows the AI to see what's happening on your screen while you are building your project. So you can understand the context and helps debug and see the issues and fix the issue much more accurately. We also can input using your voice as well. The next feature is this, and I really like this. The next is the credit care. If an AI generation doesn't give you the results you wanted, so you can simply rewind it and get your credits back. So you can experiment freely without worrying about wasting credits. So if you don't like any iteration, you can just rewind and try again. So your credits will be reverted back to you. Just really amazing, and not many of the software that you see provide this feature. The next is model switching. So we have all these models that you can use. That is really awesome. Next is this feature of Boost. Is really cool. With just one click, Boost can automatically improve your page design. For example, you can see here adjusting the colors, fonts, layouts, and even animation. So in just a few minutes, your simple page, can turn into a professional looking UI. You can go for visual editing as well, and this lets you edit your app directly on the canvas. You can simply click on the text, images, or components and modify them instantly, giving you pixel level control without asking the AI to generate everything. So if you go to the template section, you can see a whole lot of beautiful templates that you can see. So you can see this one, transform fitness. This is very good front end that you can use directly. Just copy it and use it. Anyone interested in discovering natural beauty can go ahead and use this website. This one is a portfolio of Lina Morel. You can see it's really amazing, really fluid. This is a mountain lounge for hotels and resorts. You can see you can use this instantly. Equilibria pilots, you can see find your balance, and this is again an amazing template. Design, refine, again amazing. The future of productivity is almost here. This is another beautiful design that you can use. Ship fast, ship your SaaS in days, not months. You can use this front end. So basically this is a front end generator as you are looking into it, because front end is a visual aspect of how people see your product. If you have a great back end but your front end sucks, it's not really going to bring conversions. So we as a full stack developer need to understand that not the back end but the front end is also important. So you have been given this command, as you can see, that is to create an OpenAI style landing page introduction introducing the upcoming GPT 5.5. It's not yet released, but that's for the future. So you can see that the thinking is done. The to-do list is updated here. Then the different files are created, and you can see that it is creating this http openai.com branch here, and it's getting ready for me. The next one is I have given this command of creating a modern personal portfolio website with a hero section, project grids, and contract form. And this person have YouTube channel called Prompt Engineer 48, and please see the GitHub profile as well. So it was able to think through, check it out, everything, and you can see the scripts. You can see the front end things and everything up, and you can see the final product here. We see this. You can go to the code section here as well and take a look at the codes. If you want to change something, you can go ahead and change it here. Just a prompt, just describe it. If you want to boost it, you can do it more, make it more beautiful. You can do that as well. Click on boost, and this will make it more convenient and more beautiful. If there are any errors, you can just click on auto fix and it will fix all the errors. Isn't it amazing? So if you go to this and you can go to this publish button, and then you can just say publish. This is going to publish you can see this prompt engineer.app. I can share this with you. Please go ahead and open this up. If I go to and open this up on incognito window, you can see that this is my profile. So I am prompt engineer, home projects. If I click on projects, I have all these projects as well. If you go to the YouTube, this is my YouTube profile, 20k subscribers, uploads daily, okay, and contracts, you see YouTube content contract. Then you have the GitHub, Discord, email, and there is a section where you can send me email as well. Let's go back to the home section, and it really looks nice. If you click here, it goes to my YouTube channel directly. Really good. And if I click here, it goes to my GitHub profile. It's really amazing, really good. And if you see the different projects here, so it has been fetched from my GitHub. View all repositories, and you can go to the repository, my GitHub profile here, learn with me, subscribe. This is really an amazing product that you can instantly use it. Cool. So this is how you use Youware to create your own personal profile. Do anything you want, and it's really for everyone. Anyone can go ahead and use it, and it's completely free. If you want to do more, you can go ahead and take the pro plan as well. That's just $20 per month, but with $20 you get amazing things. And by the way, as I said, you can make changes directly here as well. You can go make changes to the code here as well, and you can see the entire code here. The assets are kept here. This is the asset, and we have the app.tsx, main.tsx, index.html, and you have the tailwind. It's basically a TSX app that you can see here. It's really amazing. If you don't like the code, you're not familiar with the code, you can go visually change everything as well. Cool. So you can go ahead and test this out and let me know what you think of this amazing technology. You can see these exp. You can go to the explore section. You can see that what people are creating amazing things with it. You can see this one, happy birthday greeting. Let's check this out. You can create it next and open it, and you can see that happy birthday greeting here. Really amazing. Okay, one more example. I gave this repo, understand this repo, and designed a front-end place. This repo is basically an automated YouTube video generator. So it was able to understand the repo structure and then lay out basically different settings that I have, and you can see that this is what it created, the front end. So it created a dashboard from a topic to YouTube, and one command fully automated YouTube creation with LLMs, web search, text to speech, cinematic, FFmpeg, assembly generation, and configure settings. Here you can configure the different pipelines. We have different LLMs here. The model is here: temperature, token, search provider, Google, Bing, Serve, API. So all these are taken from the report, and I've done the coding, 11 again, vibe coding, sorry. You can see all these settings here, and then you can get these styles as well, options, and basically you can see the history as well, the different creations that has already been done. And now we can go ahead and generate the video as well. Of course, this is not yet linked to the backend because backend needs to run as well. But this front end is amazing. So you can go ahead and check this out and try for yourself. It for free. People are loving it. There are so many different users, millions of users of this technology. Youware, because this is for everybody. This is for the expert, for the intermediate, for the beginners, for the noob. This is for everyone. You can go to other things as well. One more important thing that I would like to mention is the skills. Now we can integrate the skills into the CLI. You can use CLI as well. So if you want to use skills, you can describe what you want and it will fetch you the skill and then use it from your terminal using npx labs, use skills and describe your scenario here. Really amazing. Test this out, and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Watch out this next series of videos. Thank you.